Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. If you've been following this series, I did a whole series of getting down to the oil cooler and replacing the oil cooler, documenting everything along the way in different videos. And today's video is installing the lower intake. We got the new Dorman aluminum oil cooler installed. We got everything prepped. So now we're going to get this ready to install. And I'm going to start by pulling all these old gaskets out. And you can just use like a little pick or something like that. Just kind of get in there. Make sure you don't hit the fuel injector, because that's the last thing you want. Let's get all these out. You do not want to use brake cleaner or anything like those sorts, because brake cleaner and plastic aren't usually friends. So you could end yourself up in the worst headache. So I'm using throttle body clean. Just kind of spray it down. I'm gonna go ahead and install all new fresh gaskets. If they're relatively pretty new, you can reuse them. These are reusable type gaskets, but you do have to pay attention, because over time they'll get hard. And once they start getting hard, if you have like the slightest leak, you'll get a lean code, and most likely your engine will probably rev a little bit higher. There we are, new gaskets are in place. I can get this prepped. Pull all my tape off. And of course, don't forget to pull all your paper towel out. Because if you left those in when you started it, you'd learn to regret it real quick. Everything is clean. Lower intake is ready to install. Alright. Carefully drop this down into place as such. Try to get some bolts started. And just starting to thread them in by hand. Snug them all up first. Right, torquing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 12 Newton meters. Alright, 12 Newton meters. And then 2. And then 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 7. And then last one, number 8. There, done. That being done, can plug in our fuel line. There we go. She's locked in place. We start running our electrical back over and plugging all that back in. We're going to start by putting these back in their respective holes. Plug the coils, fuel injectors, push in the locks. See, with this far side here, I got this harness. Let's start feeding it all back in. We're going to start by plugging in this one fuel injection clip first. Okay, and then I'm going to plug that back in. And then I can plug in the coil. Plug down back in. Plug in the coil. Put that one back in. Plug in the coil. And everything right there is in place. Lower intake's installed. Let's just double check everything. Make sure all your coil wires, injector harness is in, everything's connected. We got the fuel line in, it's not going to come off. All the push pins are in. Double check the back. Fuel injection, coils. Everything's looking good. We got this little hat thing we're going to throw down because that's where it goes. So there you have it. Lower intake is installed. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.